Well, guys, this is the right way to make money in cryptocurrency is using hedge in the futures. When here you can make money when the price go up, and you can make money when the price go down at the same time. So what you do when you collect the profit when the price go down, and you also make profit when the price go up. So you just work with the one that is giving you the profit. If it is a short giving you profit, you just take profit and you wait for it to go up at the same time. When it goes up, because you have already longed, so you can take your profit when the price goes up. So you can see in the same cryptocurrency, I can make money when the price go up, and I can make money when the price go down. So if you want to know how to trade, please make sure that you get in touch, subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you are getting the right way how to trade. See you till then. Bye bye.